Good evening. We present the news summary. A group of Chinese health professionals met with President Wival Ramkalawan at State House this morning to share their experiences now that their mandate, which is normally 2 years, has ended. This is the 40th group of Chinese health professionals that has come to Seychelles to exchange their health expertise and help the country in different health-related areas. They will be leaving Seychelles next week, but tomorrow a new group will arrive in the country to replace them. The CEO of the healthcare agency, Dr. Danny Louange, explains why the exchange between China and Seychelles is important.
So the specialists that we have in the corporation, in the Chinese Medical Corporation, is cardiology, um, orthopedic, uh, um, acupuncture, radiology. We have two specialists in radiology and general surgery. So they've really been well integrated into the system. A lot of patients has appreciated their help, the care that they've provided to them. And for us, and we feel that they've gone beyond this. They've even went to the community to do screening of medical conditions, especially the NCDs, the non-communicable diseases. They've done this on a voluntary basis several times, and we do really appreciate that. So that cooperation that we have is not only bringing specialists on board in the hospital, but it is also expanding our reach to other domains like capacity building, research, technology, and over the years this has been really tangible for us. We are celebrating a 40th anniversary of this cooperation. So we do appreciate the effort that that the team puts in their work. We also appreciate the support that the government of China provides to us.
The UNDP, in collaboration with the government of China, has agreed to finance a project that will help reduce disaster-related risk in Seychelles. The project will include the introduction of modern technology to detect early warning signs and alert the public promptly. The Minister for Internal Affairs, Errol Fonseca, said the gesture will help the country to be more proactive in disaster management.
This project comes at a crucial time. As a small island state facing increasing threats from floods, landslides, coastal erosion, and other climate-induced hazards, the Tailored Intelligence Early Warning System project will help us address critical gaps in our early warning systems by improving data and information management, strengthening coordination among institutions, and reaching our communities, especially those vulnerable, with timely and actionable alerts.
Representatives from daycares and preschools and partners of the Institute of Early Childhood Development, IECD, gathered earlier this week to review the current state and operations of early childhood facilities. The highlight of the forum held at the STC conference room was the presentation of key findings from a national evaluation conducted by an IECD consultant last year. The study sheds light on critical areas such as child safety, rights and protection, health and nutrition. The forum was launched by the Minister for Education, Dr. Justin Valentin.
Research keeps telling us that the early years are critical, like laying the first brick of a strong, lasting building. Get it right early on, and the rest of the journey becomes a lot smoother. The assessment which IECD initiated and conducted shows us that quality in this early setting isn't just having colorful toys or nice classroom. It's about a whole spectrum: safety, nutrition, curriculum, staff interaction, leadership, and more. High quality ECCE doesn't happen by magic. It's the result of careful policies, continuous evaluation, and targeted support.
The Civil Status Department, in partnership with the Ministry of Health, has launched a pilot project to offer birth registration services directly at the Seychelles Hospital. The initiative aims to improve access and reduce delays, especially for mothers recovering from cesarean deliveries or undergoing substance abuse treatment. Civil status officers will be available at the maternity ward 3 afternoons a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, while regular registrations will still take place at the Civil Status Office in the mornings by appointment. Seychelles is bringing back its direct flights to La Réunion during the month of July. The 2-hour flight will run once a week. Seychelles says the flight also connects well with its route to Abu Dhabi, making travel to other global destinations easier. Seychelles adds that the timing is perfect for the French school holidays, giving Réunion residents a great chance to visit Seychelles. And this was the news summary. Thank you for your attention.